Hi all, welcome to a new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can extend Horilla card view for our custom shift request view. So now we are see how we can configure the Horilla list view. Like this list view, we can check the configuration for Horilla card view. So let's open the Horilla card parent view inside the CBV generic CBV views inside Horilla views. Card generic CBV views. Okay, split it. Yeah. Okay, like the Horilla list view, it will take filter class, view ID, the template name, the context object name, search URL, and any other additional information to support the card view details. The basically card view is when you check on the employees. Okay, inside the now here we can see uh, the list and the card. When you click on the card, here we can see the card for the employee. So we are going to create a similar card for our custom shift request view. Okay. For now, I'm going to create it inside a new sidebar item. No, also for now we can uh, use the card view inside the same list template. For now, we can disable or comment the uh, list template. Coming back to the VS Code. Now let's first import the card view from the Horilla views generic CB views. Import Horilla card view. Then in the bottom, let's create the class shift request card view. Then inherit the Horilla card view. Okay, let's add the basic record information like the filter class. It will be the same filter class that we use in the shift request filter, and the view ID it's automatically generate. Then template name we, uh, we have to get from the parent view. We can skip the context object name and search URL. No, we can skip that part too. It will automatically set up inside the context. Then the details. Yeah, like we can refer the employee card view. Control E. Employee card. Sorry, Control T. Yeah. From the employee card. Details. Yeah, here's the details. Let's add some details. Okay, images are see get avatar. When we check on the employee list, employees, the service loading, employee card. Here you can see avatar. It will be the avatar. Then the title, employee name with the badge ID. For now, let's add the title as employee ID. Just remember the model record model fields within single curly brace pair. It will fetch the detail from the instance dynamically. And you can also map it with the functions or any other properties. And the shift requester shift also map the model. It will be the shift request model. When we check on the shift request model, Here is the shift ID. Let's also map the request shift. Yeah, let's add this information for now. Now let's restart the server. Yeah, no, we have to create a URL routing for this view. For that, go into the URLs, into the custom map URLs. First, let's add just below the custom shift list, shift card URL. Then the view will be card. Uh, it will be the custom shift request card. Custom request card. It's not coming. Why? Same file. Yeah. Oh, it's shift request card. Then it will be custom shift card, the URL name. Then we're going to the template for the hello. When we check on the main page, here's the hello template. It's not, yeah, here's the shift template view. And we go to no. So we are directly serving the template. When you go to the template, here you can see the list is calling over here. Let's comment as duplicate it, and let's comment the previous one, and instead of the list, let's load the card. And when I refresh over here, let's check the server. Okay, I think we have missed the as view. Then let's restart the server. Then restart over here. Okay, yeah. So you can see the card is now coming. So using the get avatar, let's map some avatar icon. So basically the get avatar is available for the employee model. So let's use the get avatar function from the employee instance. So when we check the shift request model, here is the employee ID field. From the employee ID field, we're going to fetch the get avatar. So we simply have to put a double underscore over here. Okay, let's wait for the server to restart. Then refresh. You can see the image is now visible over here, and the title uh, is showing here. So that's how we extend the Horilla card view. We'll see the detailed properties in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood this video.